Changing your primary email on Aave is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Aave account. Visit the Aave website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the email change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this section to view your current email address and options to change it. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new primary email address in the designated field. Ensure that the email is valid and accessible, as you may need to verify it later. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new email, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in the email to verify and finalize the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Aave should be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to ensure everything is set up correctly.